Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to talk about one of the most Google question out there. Yeah, will AI take my job, or will robots take my job? Yeah, it's one of the most Google question out there. So that means the fear is real. People really have the fear that they will lose their job because of the upcoming technologies. So if that really is fear is real, so I just Googled and have just inquired. There is real a website out there. Will robot take my job? .com. Yeah, there's a website out there. So if you just go to that website and put what job you're doing right now, for example, if you're a driver, or if you're a chef, or if you're a lawyer, or if you're an accountant, so yeah, if you will get a probability that how likely you will lose your job because of the upcoming technology out there. So that means that fear is real, right? And people really understand this pain, and they know that there's something out there which can really take their job, or maybe can take their business out. So let's go back to the history and understand: is this phenomena has happened in past, or is something which is totally new coming and we don't really know about it? So if we just go into the past and understand. How different jobs were there. So earlier, there were the jobs of a liftman, there were job of phone operators. There a lot of other jobs were there which no longer exist. Yeah, we don't even know that those jobs were used to be there. So that means that, and there are a lot of businesses were there. Like if you remember, the biggest business was there of film photography. Yeah, the Kodak, the that was the name for the for camera and photograph. That was the real king, and right now it no longer exists. Yeah, we do not even require a photo camera or a photographer to take our photos. Everybody has that in their hand. Yeah, the mobile phone. So that means there are a lot of things out there which has changed in the past, and that's a clear indication that soon this thing can happen to the present scenario. So, taking that in mind, let's understand what is the need. So, all this new technologies, inventions, and the all industrial revolution which has not happened just because of a fluke. It has happened because there was a need, and that need was real. So the invention of steam engine, the invention of electricity, the invention of computer, the internet age, everything was required, and because of that, we have this kind of lifestyle and this kind of luxury where we can do everything in just a single click. Yeah. So if that invention and that industrial revolution has not happened, we wouldn't have progress in this field. So this means that there is always a need for getting something new out there. Okay. So talking about all the historical industrial revolution, now if we'll see, this is the time uh, we don't have any option, especially in this lockdown. You can understand that we cannot go out, and there is everything. We are dependent right now on the technology or some people out there. So we really need to invest in the technology and the coming industrial revolution which we were talking about. So there's surely there is a need for that, and the fear of losing a lot of jobs and maybe business is real for some of the case, but the only fear is because of the change. Yeah, the biggest fear is of change, because we really don't want to invest and take an effort to go through that change. So if you learn that process of inculcating that change, I think technologies are just tools out there which are for us only, and it is not to have fear. So that's all I like to say. Thank you.